For today's craft, you will need polymer clay of any color, chalk pastels, cotton swab, toothpick, black puffy paint, kitchen scale, needle tool and popsicle stick, a plastic cup, scissors, Hitohada Gel, and amazing mold putty. We're going to start by taking a piece of clay to make the shape of a Dumbo Octopus. Don't worry about keeping the clay too clean because we're only going to use it for the mold. Once you're done with that, pop it in the oven and we can move on to using mold putty. For those of you who've never used this, there are 2 parts to mold putty. You just take an equal amount from part A and from part B, and you mix it together to create silicone mold. You might want to work quickly because it dries very fast. After about 20 minutes, you can loosen the corners and carefully wriggle it free. Hitohada Gel is what I use to make things soft and gummy. There are also 2 parts to this. The red label or the bigger bottle is part A, and the smaller blue labeled bottle is part B. I'm using a kitchen scale because I'll need precise measurements for this product. This plastic cup weighs about 5 grams, so I cut it to where it weighs only about 1 gram. I'll be adding 3 grams of part A, now I'll be adding 1 gram of part B. Mix it together really well, and once you're done with that, you can add some color. I'm using chalk pastel because the grainy bits of the chalk will settle to the bottom of the mold, which means the head of my octopus will have little spots. That's the exact look I'm going for, so it's perfect. Finally, after allowing it to cure for 24 hours, you feel it and it should have a bit of a sticky consistency. Hitohada Gel comes with talcum powder to lessen the stickiness, but baby powder works just fine too. I'll be using puffy paint to draw in the face because it's a lot more stretchy and durable than acrylic paint. And finally, I'm going to use a cotton swab and chalk pastel to give it some color, and I'm finished.